My name is Frederick Soule. I am an automotive instructor at Tidewater Tech. A lot of the students are ex-military or definitely military veterans. I could relate to them because I'm a military veteran myself. We treat all of our students equal to ourselves, and we try to keep it shop level. We talk to them, we teach them at the same level we would do at a regular shop to get them ready to start working in a shop environment. I love seeing on their face what we call aha moment when they finally figure out how to do something. Everything to see. It's just to watch the students finally get it. And they're like, oh. Everybody has a car. Everybody needs a car. Most vehicles nowadays are essentially a big giant computer, and we do teach electrical and electrical 2, which is pretty much all the sensors, all the computers. Yeah, we teach a lot of electrical and electronics. My name is Frederick Soule. I'm an automotive instructor at Tidewater Tech, and we train tomorrow's technicians. It's an awesome school, very hands-on. Shout out to everybody at Tidewater Tech. All right.